Sebastian. Say hi, mommy. Look, Matt. Say hi. Hi, mommy. What you doing? What you doing in there? Say good morning. Good morning. You gonna get out? Can you get out? Come on, get out. Come on, get out.